That's the last place I go. He's all up there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You said nice shot, Penny. Well, I ended up working out today. We're coming to hunt here tonight anyways. Drove by the field and there's a group of about 12 out there feeding. So we figured if we snuck in, kind of cut them off between where they're feeding and where they're gonna go roost tonight, we'd have a good chance at harvesting a bird. So anyways, that plan failed. We got back there, snuck all in, and the birds just skirted us, caught in the bush about 100 yards up, and then I knew they're gonna work their way back through here. So we busted a tom too earlier, walking in. It was just under the pines. We didn't see it. Took off, and then same thing. We're coming around the corner, and I just looked, and there's probably six or seven. They're all rested under all the pine trees. It's all open in there.
Yeah, there was four jakes and 2 hens,
and they're just in the shade. So right away we're just going to panic mode. Not like there's no real cover. So I just drop our packs there, trying to get the decoy in, and it's all rock, of course. Couldn't get the decoy in. Finally found one spot, only went in 3 inches, and it was just enough to stick her up. So I was telling Patty, I was like, get back. We were right in the thin stuff. I was, there's no way this will work. So anyways, we backed up, got the camera set up, the other camera set up. Pat gets in, I get in, and then sure enough, the hens come in first. They skirted us. They didn't care anything about the decoys. Tried pulling the jakes with them. And jakes ended up coming right around the corner. 2 were puffed up, and then the one stayed puffed up, fanning out. And I told him to take the fanned up one, but then just the way it worked out, they were kind of knowing something was up, and we didn't want to shoot. I didn't want to shoot and him shoot, and then have 3 birds drop. So I let him take credit for this one, and
thank you, appreciate that.
And that's how it worked out. So still more tags to fill, still a few more days to hunt for us, and
some good. Can't wait.
Gonna go try to get another couple birds down. So
appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Thank you.
Mid-afternoon day hunt too. It's probably around 3 o'clock. So
beautiful bird.
So we're gonna get this
Really
one
happy.
back to the truck, and maybe go try to get me a bird for this evening.
Yes, sir. Your turn. You're up.
Yep.
Right on.
Gobblestalker calls me.